All right, YouTube. So we're gonna do a review on Supertex high mileage full synthetic oil. To my right is non-high mileage full synthetic oil. To my left is high mileage full synthetic Supertech oil. Okay, I have and both are Supertech. The first top marking here represents where the oil was at brand new before use. And the second mark is where the oil level was after 5,000 miles of use. Same thing here. Okay. Now, after 5,000 miles of use on the non high mileage oil, just normal Supertech full synthetic, this is the 4 quart mark, as you can see, and I'm slightly above that after 5,000 miles of use. So my truck, which takes 6 quarts of oil, consumed after 5,000 miles, because it's got a lot of miles on it. Okay, it's a high mileage vehicle. It consumed almost a full quart, and the 6 quart, I would say it consumed a half a quart. Okay, and why? Because I'm going to say that the oil filter is going to absorb and reserve another half quart of oil. Okay, so we're going to give a half quart of oil to the oil filter. All right, so this one almost took a full quart plus half of another after 5,000 miles. That's how much oil I lost. Okay, so then I switched over to high mileage oil. Okay, Supertech. And so let's see what the result is. Here, compared to here, I lost half a quart plus a half a quart of the other oil, the 6 quart. So I would say I lost only a quart of oil using high mileage full synthetic Supertech oil. And here I lost almost a full quart plus a half of another. A quart and then a half of another. Okay. So what is the results here? There is improvement. I have less oil consumption with the high mileage oil. So something is working there. Okay. I do have a rear main oil leak, slightly dripping on my truck. But there's improvement here. Okay, I'm not losing that much oil. Now, does this say I don't have to change the rear main oil seal? No, I still have to change it. So I've done another oil change with high mileage oil. Okay, but this time I got 6 quarts of high mileage full synthetic Supertech oil, plus I'm gonna use the Bars Leaks rear main seal oil repair, and we're gonna see what that does the next 5,000 miles. You guys just gotta stay tuned when I do that oil change here. Probably, I don't know, December. I'll probably be at that 5,000 mile mark. So we'll see if now I'm back up to the line here, plus a half a quart of plus another half a quart. If we're back to normal, then we know what the right combo is. If you got a rear main oil seal leak, use high mileage oil plus Bars Leaks, might work. If it doesn't work, we'll switch over to Blue Seal rear main seal repair, and we'll see what that does. Anyway, if you guys want to know when those videos are up, you're gonna have to subscribe. I'm not the type of person to tell people to subscribe, but if you want to check back with me or get a notification, you're gonna have to probably do that. But anyway, all right, YouTube, thanks for listening, and stay tuned to the next results that we got coming up with the Bars Leaks rear main seal repair. All right, take care.